News that's breaking at the moment, it's the Congress which has now arrived, the Congress leaders who have now arrived for the crucial CWC meet. Congress all set to elect the parliamentary party leader through the CWC. There's chorus that is going for Rahul Gandhi to take the position of the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha. Will Rahul Gandhi take charge in Lok Sabha? That's the big question on everyone's mind at the moment. The opposition all set to chart its strategy for the upcoming parliament session. Visuals that you see on your screens are of the Congress leaders coming together for the CWC meeting. This is a very crucial meeting. In the meeting, the Congress will elect the parliamentary party leader. The chorus is going for Rahul Gandhi to become the leader of the opposition. Will Rahul Gandhi take charge in Lok Sabha? That's the big question on everyone's mind. The opposition is charting its strategy. All the leaders of the opposition parties huddled together and they formulated a strategy for the upcoming parliamentary session.
We are going to seriously raising Rahulji will be becoming opposition leader in the Lok Sabha. That also that we are going to raise. The CWC members are going to raise this Rahul Gandhi should be taken as leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. And also the India Bloc Alliance and other things and also election result. Maharashtra election is coming. Haryana election is coming. We have a chance to win the election. So our coalition, our India bloc should be strengthened.
राहुल प्रियंका गांधी सेना के सभी कार्यकर्ता, कांग्रेस के लीडर और विपक्ष के नेता भी चाहते हैं कि राहुल गांधी को लोकसभा में विपक्ष का नेता बनाए, जो उसका कारण है क्योंकि बहुत चर्चा होती है मोदी की गारंटी पर। महंगाई भी मोदी की गारंटी थी, बेरोजगारी भी मोदी गारंटी थी, गरीब आदमी को हवाई जहाज में घुमाने की मोदी गारंटी थी। गारंटी की पोल राहुल गांधी दमदार तरीके से लोकसभा में खोल सकते हैं। बस तैयार होना चाहिए। अगर वो राजनीति करेंगे, जनता की बात करेंगे, तो राहुल गांधी को विपक्ष का नेता बनना चाहिए।
The CWC Congress Party is going to review the performance of Congress Party in the 2024 election.
सुद्धा होता निवडणूक लढत होते त्यामुळे
मुद्दा उपस्थित राहतो की यश मिळाल्यानंतर
You just heard the Congress leaders who have arrived at the Ashoka Hotel for the crucial CWC meeting. In this meeting, important decisions will be taken by the Congress party. There is a chorus amongst the Congress leaders, amongst the Congress party. They want Rahul Gandhi to take over to take the position of the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha. The visuals that you see on your screens are coming in of the crucial CWC meeting that is taking place inside Ashoka Hotel. The Congress is now meeting, the top leaders of the Congress meeting now. In this meeting, crucial decisions will be taken by the Congress party. This chorus amongst the Congress cadre, they want Rahul Gandhi to take the position of the leader of the opposition. My colleague Milan, who's standing right where the CWC meeting is taking place. Milan, we are seeing on one side it is the NDA at the moment which is now flexing the muscle and showing the strength, but on the other side it is the Congress party which now believes that with the number they have, they obviously should get the position of the leader of the opposition.
No, well, there's been a consensus in the party that, of course, Rahul Gandhi should take up that particular post. But there are other names also, that are being sounded at this moment for this crucial post. And it remains to be seen whether, Rahul Gandhi himself and the Gandhi family and Mr. Kharge, the final decision rests with them, whether they are able to convince, Rahul Gandhi to take up that particular post. And certainly the meeting will also look at how, the Congress has performed in several states and what has been their election performance. Of course, when you heard that statement from Rahul Gandhi ki UP re dil jeet liya, there have been considerable number of seats that they have been able to win as an India alliance with Samajwadi Party, the vote consolidation that has worked for Congress, that has got 6 seats, and with Akhilesh Yadav winning a majority of at least 36 seats, and that has been one of the break points for the Congress Party as well. And it certainly remains to be seen how they are going to assess their losses in states like Himachal Pradesh, where in Mandi also Vikramaditya has lost the seat to Kangana Ranaut. We've spoken to a few leaders, and of course they are all hopeful that Rahul Gandhi should take up that particular post, but certainly all will be known after the meeting of the CWC, that the crucial meeting that will be headed by Mr. Kharge, who's the president of Congress, and of course Rahul Gandhi along with Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have arrived for this crucial meeting right now there, Aishwarya.
Right. You know, Milan, the numbers have definitely given a very big boost to the Congress party, and it definitely seems like the Congress has gone in a mission mode now.
Aishwarya, certainly, there are some points that have been put forward by the Congress party, and the way they have been saying, ever since TDP, JDU, Chirag Paswan's LJP, as well as, Jayant Chaudhary and several other parties have come together to form the NDA, that this government would not last. And these are the kind of statements that are being made time and again by the opposition leaders, by the Congress leaders as well, because certainly there have been, instances where Nitish Kumar has, turned tides, and changed governments when, there has been a crisis. And these kind of allegations that are currently being leveled by the Congress party right now. Of course, there were talks that, there were people who were in touch with, these opposition alliances as well. Several times it was said that Sharad Pawar also spoke with the, TDP leader Chandrababu Naidu as well as, Nitish Kumar. But of course, Nitish Kumar there touching the feet of, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there in a crucial function. A lot of messaging that has went out from that has clearly said that Nitish and Naidu are strongly with the, the BJP and clearly giving an edge to the NDA partners at the moment. But of course, this is a Congress CWC. So, much of what will be discussed will be, the Congress party's, shortcomings and the winnings, with the party being the second, largest party to win number of seats after BJP there in this elections, Aishwarya.
Right, Milan, you also spoke with a lot of leaders. There definitely is, we can see that the numbers have given Congress a big boost. We are also at the moment seeing that the opposition has become much, much stronger. The top leaders of the opposition parties coming together, speaking over the phone. But one of the crucial things that we have seen the Congress president say, Mallikarjun Kharge, in the statements that he's given, it gives a clear indication that the opposition is in a wait and watch mode. They are looking at what the NDA is doing, but they are also simultaneously gearing up for the upcoming parliament session.
Well, absolutely, because this is going to be like a strategy that they're going to put forward in this particular meeting, what needs to be done in future, because yes, from the previous times in elections, the Congress and the Allied India Alliance performances have been better this time around. And of course, one of the crucial states that has actually helped Congress better its performance has also been Uttar Pradesh. But there have been, performances that Congress will need to analyze. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, as well as, states like, Telangana, where they have performed not at par, even in Karnataka. So, where BJP has gained seats and where BJP is actually making their clout visible is where the Congress needs to assess their strategy. What are the issues that are being, raised right now by the Congress party? How they are going to step forward, in this parliament session is also going to be discussed, and a lot of other talks on how they should tread forward, with the NDA alliance partners. And of course, the chorus of this being that the government won't last long and, the NDA partners are not dependable enough happens to be one of the core issues. But yes, the main issue discussed in this meeting, Aishwarya, will be whether Rahul Gandhi actually takes up the post of leader of opposition. And if not, then who will it be? There are names that are doing rounds of Gaurav Gogoi, Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari, there could be others. So it remains to be seen whether that crucial post will be taken up by RG.
Thank you, Milan, for giving us all those details. My colleague Milan, who's standing right outside where the Congress's working committee, the CWC meeting at the moment is taking place.